everybody, CJ again. We're back on the 72 Corvette. We are getting ready to install some side pipes on this beast.
Got a good bib baffle.
Yeah. Is it really?
It's basically,
Oh shit!
yeah, it's basically a cherry bomb. So make sure you got to put that on the right.
Yeah.
The right direction.
Yeah.
Well, it goes this way. There's only one way for it to go because of how this is. That goes to the.
Yeah, you're not supposed to. Yeah. You're not supposed to go like overlap and the exhaust go the same way.
Yeah. That's fine. I was just saying, as long as it goes the right way, that's all I care about.
Yeah.
Those should sound good.
I don't know why I just threw that down there like I didn't need it.
Yeah, we can do that. We'll get this, we'll get that, and we'll get it all put together and at least knocked out.
Which one of y'all knows?
We're finally getting to make the C3 make a little bit of noise.
A little bit.
Not too much, because the owner doesn't want it loud, but enough to be noticeable. Do these have like a metal guard that goes on them?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Yeah, these will look really good. So we're back here with the 72, and they got the brush guard on them. Just trying to figure out mounting.
Unless I go right there and I gotta get the whole damn perfect.
That for me is meditation.
So where are you at on the box Chevy?
Oh, I'm holding the what's left of the existing harness is coming out.
Okay, and then where are you going after that?
Well, currently trying to find my phone, but
That's an everyday thing with this one.
most likely it's gonna get the new column, all that crap. Probably start wiring switches, start wiring what I can wire.
So the harness has made its way out of the car.
On the ground.
And on the ground.
It's coming down. Absolutely. Now, had that thing been cast iron, it would have been even worse.
No good.
I probably shouldn't have closed the back of the Durango. I wasn't really thinking about it. Not running. There's a hole in the fuel line. It's got a new fuel pump, but there's a hole in the fuel line. So it doesn't really matter if it's got a new pump.